In the modern workplace, the inbox is a high-pressure environment. You are managing constant communication, fielding requests, and racing against tight deadlines. Then, an email arrives. It warns that your account will be disabled immediately unless you click the link. The corporate logo looks familiar, the threat feels real, and you face a choice. That fraction of a second, where your finger hovers over the mouse, deciding whether to trust the message, is everything. Cyber attackers don't need to bypass complex firewalls if they can convince an authorized user to grant them entry. This single moment of hesitation is the primary entry point used to breach corporate systems today. The problem is that intellectual awareness of phishing often fails us in the real world. Knowing that threats exist won't always save you when you are stressed, distracted, or rushing to meet a Friday afternoon deadline. To close the gap between knowing a threat exists and actually stopping it, we have to move past passive awareness. We need to build active, instinctual habits. This is why we use phishing simulations. Think of them as a practice field, a controlled, risk-free environment that mimics real-world threats. The intent behind these exercises is simple. They are not designed to trap, blame, or embarrass anyone who accidentally clicks a link. They are designed to help you build confidence and muscle memory. Adopt this three-step response. Pause, check, and report. Pausing breaks the false urgency. This halt gets you clarity to actively check the sender's address for anomalies. Once spotted, reporting the email instantly alerts the security team to investigate the threat. When looking at the organization as a whole, individual actions compound quickly. Every reported threat helps the entire company detect real attacks earlier. Look at this chart comparing reporting habits to external attacks. There is a direct correlation. As employee reporting rates climb, the number of successful breaches drops sharply. This shift completely transforms the workplace dynamic. Vigilance is a collective team effort, lifting the burden of anxiety from the individual. When an organization reaches the point of confident collective reporting, basic awareness officially evolves into a resilient, proactive corporate culture. A workplace culture like that does not happen just by watching a single introductory video. It requires continuous action. So, in the next stage of this program, we are introducing a series of reinforcement activities to help integrate secure habits seamlessly into your daily routines. You will soon receive practical, everyday tools designed to support you, including work kits, checklists, visual posters, and reminders for handling multi-factor authentication. The most critical immediate next step on this roadmap is completing the Phishing Security Competency Assessment, conducted by Experts Academy. This assessment evaluates your practical decision-making and understanding of proper response actions. Participants who successfully complete it will earn a formal certificate of competency. This document represents a highly rigorous standard. As the seal on the certificate shows, the assessment aligns directly with the guidelines of the National Institute of Standards and Technology, alongside broader industry best practices. As you move forward, integrate these assessments and tools into your daily routine. These practical habits protect your colleagues, secure our data, and defend the organization's livelihood. Let us take the next step together. Turn your awareness into phishing-safe behavior by committing to pause, check, and report.